Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we discuss the Lewis dot structure of isopropyl alcohol, which is also written as propane 2 ol. It has a chemical formula of C3H8O. And for that, we will first count the total number of valence electrons. We have 3 carbon atoms having 4 valence electrons, 8 hydrogen atom that has 1 valence electron, and 1 oxygen atom that has 6 valence electrons. And if we add up this, we will get a total of 26. For the arrangement of atoms, we will place carbon atoms adjacent to each other. Now the suffix OL suggests that it is an alcohol. So we know that there will be an OH group bonded to any one of the carbon atom. We have propane 2 ol, that means that our OH group is attached to second carbon, that is the center one. Then we will attach remaining 6 hydrogen by bonding 3 hydrogen to each carbon atom. After that, we will place electron pair in between each atom for bond formation. As you can see, every atom has completed its outer shell except the oxygen atom, which still needs about 4 more electrons. We have used 22 electrons and left with 4 more, so we will be assigning the remaining 4 electrons to oxygen atom. So this is the final Lewis structure of isopropyl alcohol, in which every atom has complete outer shell and zero formal charge. For more such videos, make sure to subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.